Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off detailed voice guidance on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off detailed voice guidance on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone, and on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and this kind of interface will appear, and if you scroll down there is the settings option available for us just below your data in maps. Tap on settings and this kind of interface will load, where if you scroll down to the bottom of the list you will find the navigation settings over here just above the manage your preferences. Tap on navigation settings and again scroll down to the bottom of the list, and on the bottom you can see there it's the detailed voice guidance. Now in order to turn that off, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and then the detailed voice guidance on Google Maps will be turned off. And guys, this is how to turn off detailed voice guidance on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.